Hi, I'm Jim Jubak and welcome to this week's Quick Pick video. This week's Quick Pick is Apple. Actually, Apple, wait to buy until we get to around 140, I think, which is coming. Okay, remember Apple has a very strong seasonal pattern that, like a lot of other technology stocks, it has weak quarters and great quarters, and we're coming into the weakest quarters for Apple of the year. That's the first quarter and the second quarter of 2023. The last 2 quarters of the year, which is when Apple gets orders for Christmas and then actually sells stuff for Christmas, tend to be the strongest. So what we're looking at is, if you look at a chart, we're seeing, here's the high in August. We had another sort of, we were descending because all technology stocks were retreating. We had another decent high in October, and then in November, and then this is the bear market. And then recently we've had, Apple's recovered very, very strongly in the, rally of 2023. Okay, I think we're gonna see Apple. I would look to buy Apple around 140, which is really the price near here, where you see all of these little support levels. If I can get it at that, I would be very interested in buying it, because we're going to see, I think, a VR headset announcement from Apple fairly soon. There's a lot of rumbling. We know that we're going to see new iMacs and new Powerbooks. We've got the Apple Developers Conference in May, new product announcements in September. So all this is sort of lining up to give us a strong recovery in the second half of the year. If you can get it cheap in the first half of the year, I would do that. And that's my pick for the week. Thanks very much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel and get notification of all our videos. We're doing about 3 a week. If you want more of my stuff, including a portfolio that holds Apple, a long-term portfolio, you can go to my free site, that's jubakpicks.com. If you want 6 portfolios instead of 3, including some options and ETFs, a little more trading, you can go to my paid site, that's jubakam.com. You'll find links to all those down below. Thanks for watching.